search continues in Muerto County for a missing University of Texas student. The Sheriff's Department says Maria Flores, a native of Uvalde, was last seen near the town of Newt. Her vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search into the nearby communities of Harlow and Chinatown will unearth new leads. Family and friends are urging anyone with information regarding her disappearance to please come forward. Jared Gaines wasn't sure what he was expecting when he discovered a burnt-out truck on his back 40 this morning. Gaines was patrolling the perimeter of his land just after sunrise when he saw the truck in the distance. It was apparent that the truck was damaged.
Oh my God. What are they doing to me? Oh, a short... Can I get through there? Good. It's open. Fit in that lock, please. Thank you. Thank you, Lord. Leland, you're alive.
Where are the others?
Are they gone? Please. Please, let them be gone.
This constant running around is getting a little tiresome now.
You can do this. Think. everything I can use around here. Finally, I left. I need to find the others. Oh, thank God! I think I can get help!